Let's learn 25 opposite words. Domestic, wild, wild. Dark, bright, bright. Death, birth, birth. Debit, credit, credit. Early, late, late. Earn, spend, spend. False, true, true. Fine, coarse, coarse. Freedom, slavery, slavery. Foolish, wise, wise. Fresh, stale, stale. Fear, courage, courage. Guilty, innocent, innocent. Gain, lose, lose. Humble, arrogant, arrogant. Honor, dishonor, dishonor. Joy, sorrow, sorrow. Knowledge, ignorance, ignorance. Kind, cruel, cruel. Lie, truth, truth. Little, much, much. Masculine, feminine, feminine. Make, break, break. Natural, artificial, artificial. Noise, silence, silence. और सीखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें कैट्रैक किड्स।